Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Welcome to my first professional podcast of my life. And I have got one personality who has brought change in life of thousands of marine engineers, I would say. His name is Shri BK Saxena sir. Sir, welcome to my first podcast, sir. Sir, I am really blessed to have you on my podcast, sir.
Thank you.
Those who do not know, वैसे तो जो लोग ये देखेंगे, and if you have been passed out from Tolani and if you're right now studying in Tolani, you must have heard about him कि सक्सेना सर थे. And those who are students, those who are right now chief engineers but Tolani pass out, second engineers, those who have studied under the mentorship of Saxena sir, those people would be watching this podcast as well. But along with that, this podcast is important not just for Tolani people but also for the entire marine industry. Sir is a pass out from DMET. He studied. He taught at SCI MTI. He was a part of Shipping Corporation of India as a sailor as well as in the office as well for 15 years. So this podcast is about his journey, how he built, but I won't say he, but along with his team, he built Tolani Maritime Institute, such a wonderful institute. What were the challenges that he faced? Why am I doing this podcast? Is because मैं जैसा आपने तोलानी को बनाया मैं JMD Academy को बनाना चाहता हूँ. So this is for my own personal thing. So sir, let's just start from the very beginning. So sir, I just day before yesterday I came to know that you were also born and brought up in Dehradun, if I would say. तो sir, देहरादून में कहाँ कैसे?
Okay, I think greetings everyone, and I think first thing is जैसे आप बोल रहे हो ना your first what do you call it?
Podcast.
I mean, for me this is the first one.
Thank you, sir.
I mean, when you said ये करेंगे, so I was surprised. I mean, I had heard about it, but I had never done it. So I said, ठीक है, I'm in your hands, so whatever you want to do. So this is my first one also, of course, and
I'm blessed.
And it's really a pleasure and honor to be here. And,
sir, मैं कह सकता हूँ sir, आप नहीं. It's my honor.
नहीं, it's always good. And yes, I was born and brought up in Dehradun, and it's nice to be here. That was long time back, of course.
Which year, sir? Which year?
1947.
सर तो किस महीने सर? Which month?
August.
अरे अब सर आप 15 अगस्त मत बोल दीजिएगा डेट. What was the date, sir?
No, a little after that, a few days after that.
Okay, so that means India got independence and you were born in independent India.
Yes, just few days after that. Only thing that time Dehradun used to be much cooler.
Now you can see I'm sweating.
गर्म है, पसीने आ रहे हैं. In my time, there were no fans in our house.
Throughout पूरे
शहरों में कहीं नहीं होता था. First time when our family shifted from Dehradun to Bareilly, then we saw कि पंखा होता क्या है.
और बरेली में किस ईयर शिफ्ट किए थे सर आप?
That was in late 59.
So that means 12 साल आपने अपनी जिंदगी के देहरादून में बिताए हैं.
My initial schooling was here.
What was the name of the school, sir?
AP Mission School in Paltan Bazar.
अच्छा, पलटन बाजार में.
That school, my elder brothers, two elder brothers, my uncle, everybody went to that same school. After that, my brothers went to DAV college, but of course by then I had shifted out.
तो बरेली.
And my father used to say कि पहले बर्फ भी गिरी है यहाँ पे.
झारखंड साइड गिरी होगी सर या देहरादून में पता नहीं.
नहीं, I mean somewhere in early 40s बर्फ गिरी है. That's what he used to say. But today it's changed. It's so nice. But it's still.
Sir, what are your first memories about देहरादून या early memories about देहरादून अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं तो?
I think going in that Ghosi Gali, there used to be a
घूसी अभी भी है सर. घूसी गली अभी भी है. अभी भी है सर. अभी भी है वो घूसी गली.
And especially the lane where we were there, that lane used to be called Faltu Lane.
ये फालतू लेन सर आज मैंने सुना है. And I came to know from Harry as well. So he told me फालतू लेन है सर. फालतू लेन क्या है सर?
पता नहीं उसका नाम फालतू लाइन क्यों है. I don't know that, but there are only about some 12-13 houses there, and from every house there's somebody in the army or air force and even some in navy. I don't know that time about merchant navy, but definitely in the Indian navy there used to be some people.
जो लोग मर्चेंट नेवी में जाना चाहते हैं, सो फालतू लेन इज नियर सेंट थॉमस स्कूल. जाओ, जाके मत्था टेक के आओ. अभी हम सर के साथ जाने वाले हैं सर का घर देखने के लिए भी आफ्टर द पॉडकास्ट. सो मे बी आई विल बी पुटिंग दैट वीडियो आल्सो बिकॉज I want it to stay forever on YouTube, and that is what memory is all about. Sir, खाने में कुछ जैसे मुझे बन टिक्की बहुत पसंद है देहरादून की, कतलम्बे छोले. What used to be the favorite food during your time?
Yeah, टिक्की I think घोसी गली में एक चाट वाला होता था.
अब उसकी फैमिली के साथ तो दादा होंगे. अभी भी गली तो चल रही है सर घोसी गली. अगर आप कहेंगे तो वहाँ भी लेके चलेंगे आपको. Hi guys, I hope watching this podcast is inspiring you to make your own journey very successful. For making a successful journey, you need to have a successful career, and for that, I would recommend go visit our website Merchant Navy Decoded, one-stop solution to all your queries, whether you are a Merchant Navy aspirant or whether you are sailing or whether you want to quit. Go explore the website yourself and find out those value-added courses which can make your life very comfortable on ship and make you an asset on board ship as well. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.
And bakery products used to be there. देहरादून में उस टाइम में बेकरीज बहुत अच्छी अच्छी
अभी भी ऐसा सनराइज बेकरी एलोराज मेल्टिंग ओवेंस
बेकरी का होता था अच्छा. और एक पिक्यूलर चीज होती थी जो हम अभी अमेजन में मंगा के खाते हैं, दैट इज नाल बड़ी. आई डोंट नो इफ यू नो.
दाल बड़ी.
नाल बड़ी
तो मुझे नहीं पता.
अरबी होती है ना जो.
हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ जी.
उसके जो डंडे होते हैं उसके ऊपर उड़द की दाल लगा के उसको सुखा के उसको काट. दैट इज टिपिकल फ्रॉम देहरादून, गढ़वाल एंड देहरादून.
ओके
So we still get it from Amazon, and in fact I asked my wife कि वो लेके आऊँ, बोले नहीं अभी तो थोड़े दिन पहले आया तो.
शुक्र है माता रानी का, क्योंकि अगर आप मेरे से पूछते नालवड़ी कहाँ मिलती है मैं बोलता जीरो हो गया मामला.
I know the shop also.
अच्छा ओके. तो सर अभी चलिए देहरादून से आगे बढ़ते हैं सर. तो यू आर 12-13 years old when you moved out from देहरादून to बरेली. मर्चेंट नेवी कैसे जीवन में आया? फर्स्ट टाइम कब सुना आपने मर्चेंट नेवी के बारे में?
Actually my father was in the army. यहाँ पे वो RIMC है जो. That time it used to be called PWMC, Prince of Wales Military College.
Okay, sir.
He was there and he wanted me to go to army. और कुछ नहीं. Okay. And I did try. I went to NDA, but वो SSB से भगा दिया गया.
मैं भी सर 3 बार फेल हूँ सर SSB. 3 times सर.
So then it was a desperate situation because my father said कि भैया तुमको as a soldier भर्ती करा देंगे. ठीक है. So it was desperate thing कि हर जगह के मैंने prospectus वगैरह मंगाए and I went for written exams to Delhi. I got selected in Indian School of Mines,
Okay.
Dhanbad, and DMT. I knew nothing about DMT. Okay. But वो जब selection हो गया तो उसके prospectus में वो uniform वगैरह देख के मैंने सोचा चलो यही ठीक है. So that's how landed in DMT without even realizing anything about
Marine engineering, merchant navy,
merchant
कुछ
navy को कुछ पता नहीं था उस टाइम में.
तो सर जब what was your which year was this sir when you joined DMT sir?
1964.
So how was DMT then sir?
Oh, very different, very very different. And this is something I used to keep on telling my students in Tolanis that when I landed at Howrah station from Bareilly, I took a train to Howrah.
दून एक्सप्रेस तो नहीं ली थी सर आपने? अगर आपको ट्रेन का नाम याद.
पंजाब मेल होती
अच्छा पंजाब मेल. ओके ओके ओके.
तो हावड़ा पे उतरे. That time there were no suitcases and all, attachee होती थी.
या ट्रंक होता था.
हाँ ट्रंक होता था, स्टील ट्रंक.
लोहे का.
So I carried my own steel trunk and somehow DMT पहुंच गए. All 4 years, nobody from my home ever visited DMT.
Okay.
Nobody.
And what was the reason? आपने कभी बुलाया नहीं या उन्होंने बोला बेटा है आप कर लेगा?
I was not the exception. Majority was like that. कि भाई आप अपना कर रहे हो आप करो. There was no interference from anybody. Majority was like that. And there were some people who were local. उनके कभी father mother आ भी जाते थे Saturday Sunday को, तो हम उनको इतनी मजाक बनाते थे कि वो भी भगा देते.
वो भी भगा देते.
क्या तुम्हारे father क्यों आ रहे हैं यहाँ पे? So DMT was very nice, very strict, very very strict, and lots of ragging. But I think that was required because we came from different background, different cities, different culture, and to put them all in one line, एक बनाने के लिए उसकी जरूरत थी.
So sir, अभी इसमें पहले क्वेश्चन पूछते because then we'll move ahead from there. Sir, अभी recently I wrote a post on ragging, difference between ragging and training. I wrote it on LinkedIn because अभी recently at GMD Academy सर कुछ बच्चों ने शैतानी करी and I have learned it from DMT कि अगर एक बंदा करता है you have to punish all so that सब लोग लाइन पे हैं. I do not call it punishment, I call it a part of training. So I made all the students stand up on the छत. यहाँ पर तो GMD में जो जगह लिया वहाँ ग्राउंड नहीं है और सर सुबह 9 से लेकर 1 बजे तक I made them stand in proper धूप में सर. sun rays were there, gave them 2 hours rest and then from 3 to 5 they were doing hopping and everything. Sir, I thought that this is a part of training and sir, I am a coaching institute, right? I am not even a maritime training institute. Sir, mother started calling me, हमारे बच्चे के साथ ये हो गया and I realized यार कि this is a big thing. आप अपने बच्चे को मर्चेंट नेवी में भेजना चाह रहे हैं, ये लाइन बहुत डिफरेंट है. ये एक नॉर्मल लाइन नहीं है जहाँ पर आपका बच्चा कंप्यूटर में बैठा है और बोल रहा है कि मैं कंप्यूटर साइंस का इंजीनियर बन गया माँ और काम चल गया. दिस इज मर्चेंट नेवी. 22 लोगों के साथ आपको सर्वाइव करना ऑन $1 million शिप. And I realized that I have to slowly increase things. But again, today the generation is different. Woke generation करके नाम आ रहा है. And ragging and training में there is a big difference. Ragging is, I believe sir, फिर मैं आपसे input जानूंगा. अगर आप किसी को physically assault कर रहे हो, किसी को mentally traumatize कर रहे हो, I do not know, I will be asking your take on that. But I'm just sharing first mine. Something you are doing something which is against the will or against, अब तो सर लॉ बना दिया गया चीज़ें हैं. बट अगर किसी को हम ट्रेन कर रहे हैं, फिजिकली ट्रेन कर रहे हैं, जैसे किसी ने गलती करी, आप हॉपिंग पुशअप्स करा रहे हो, आप किसी को नॉर्मली आप बोल रहे हो कि यू आर मेकिंग देम फिजिकली मोर फिट एंड रेजिलिएंट बना रहे हैं मेंटली, देन इट इज अ ट्रेनिंग नॉट रैगिंग. ये मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव है. व्हाट इज योर टेक ऑन दैट सर?
You see, this is
सर बिफोर इवन यू से सर, आई हैव टू मेक यू वेरी कॉशियस बिकॉज दिस वीडियो इज गोइंग ऑन यूट्यूब एंड मेरे लिए कुछ नहीं है सर, मेरे को तो बहुत लोग बहुत कुछ कहते हैं, बट इफ इट इज समथिंग कम्स फ्रॉम यू एंड ये बहुत बड़ी बात बनेगा तो यू.
नहीं, you see, it so happened now that there have been laws, as you already mentioned. There is a Supreme Court ruling against ragging, and the repercussions of ragging can be terrible, especially for the head of the institution.
Definitely sir.
Okay, and this is a big challenge. Unfortunately, ragging is not defined anywhere.
That is the biggest problem
Okay,
sir.
so I mean, you can say that this is training, but the interpretation can be ragging. What is very important that the youngsters who are joining in, and more importantly their parents, they must understand कि भाई हम कहाँ भेज रहे हैं. Okay. एनडीए में भी बहुत होती है, बट एनडीए में देयर इज आर्मी एक्ट, तो वो आप मतलब कुछ करने यू कैन डू नथिंग अबाउट इट.
सर ऑल इंडिया रैंक 108 एनडीए में ही वाज अयान हैदर जैदी फ्रॉम माय एकेडमी, मतलब ही पास्ड फ्रॉम जेएमडी एकेडमी, मतलब यहीं से कोचिंग लेके गया था. अर्लियर वी वर ट्रेनिंग फॉर एनडीए आल्सो. तो एक दिन मैंने उसका सेशन रखवाया जेएमडी एकेडमी के बच्चे के साथ ईयर्स बैक, 2 to 3 years बैक, एंड दे टोल्ड मी हाउ इज रैगिंग एट एनडीए. तो ही टोल्ड मी सर देयर इज नो रैगिंग एट एनडीए, देयर इज ओनली ट्रेनिंग. मैं बोला यार हाँ सर बताइए सर.
Correct. So, but you can't do that here, you see. So, that is a big challenge, and I mean, I would blame the changing social values in the country, actually. I would say degradation, I would say changing social values. See, earlier the social values were different. Our parents never, interfered too much into, what you are doing, as long as, they made a boundary कि भाई आप उस boundary में रहना है, आपको ये करना है, okay, but they will not interfere. But today it's very different. And as you mentioned, I mean, I've had situations where morning में एक बच्चा खांस रहा है और शाम तक I get a call from the mother, you're not taking care of my child. Okay. Now, in DMD this never happened. Okay, I mean, nobody would even dream of, that time, calling, I remember one of my batchmate, he went to one of the officer in charge of the hostel, कि भाई I'm getting ragged, ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है. So he abused him, number one, and number two, say you come to report against your seniors and you start doubling up. So
That was a time, sir.
So the officer started giving the punishment, you see. So that is the training, and that is what built us to that what we are today, and I'm sure you are there.
Sir, when I went to college, the first day our OIC hostel was AB Haldar sir. मतलब B के रॉय चौधरी सर थे, बट AB हल्दर सर का बहुत नाम था. तो he wrote 2 things, never pimp, one was one thing.
Yeah.
तो उन्होंने he made this very clear कि आप शिकायत नहीं कर सकते
Exactly.
कि सीनियर की, बैचमेट की, जूनियर की, डील विद इट. एंड दैट इज वेयर आई गेस आई लर्नड डीलिंग with the hardships which I really faced very bad on ship. Sir, coming back to 1964, so you joined back on ship, sir, and joined back the college. So how was the hardships? What were the hardships that you faced out there? जिसको आज हम we call it ragging, and maybe that time it was called training. I do not know.
I think hardships was right in the beginning, going to because that time, whole day used to be in the workshop. We were allotted to a workshop. I was with the CPC, which used to it's called Calcutta.
अभी भी CPC का जाता है.
So, and the classes used to be in the evening and Saturday. So, otherwise 5 days you spend the whole time there, and they gave a dry lunch. जिसमें 8 स्लाइस होते थे जो ऐसे ऐंठ जाते थे, and you were supposed to eat it without drinking water and standing up and all that nonsense, and working on the fitting, that the chisel, and that was something very different.
More of a practical.
More practical. वो मतलब वो कभी हर थोड़े दिन में किसी के हाथ टूट जाते थे, हथौड़ा जो था बजाय उधर मारने के यहाँ मार लिया एंड ऑल दैट, बट ग्रेजुअली ग्रो ऑन दैट. ओके, दैट वाज वन चैलेंज. अदरवाइज तो बाकी तो ठीक है, गालियाँ मिलती थी तो वो तो यूज्ड टू एंजॉय इट. आई मीन वो सब
हॉपिंग पुशअप्स वगैरह होते थे सर उस टाइम पे भी, दौड़ाया जाता था.
दौड़ाया तो बहुत जाता था, दौड़ाया. एंड आई मीन even the I remember I think it was 65 pass out or 66 pass out. शाम को पासिंग आउट परेड थी, मॉर्निंग में वो फोर्थ ईयर जो पास आउट होने वाले उनको दौड़ाया गया. ऑफिसर्स वर रैगिंग देम, यू नो. सो इट वाज इनबिल्ट इन द सिस्टम एक्चुअली, बिकॉज़ मोस्ट ऑफ द ऑफिसर्स वर एक्स डीएमटीज आल्सो.
सर आज भी अगर कोई जैसे व्हेन आई केम टू नो दैट यू आर फ्रॉम डीएमटी, अगर अभी पता चलता है कि कोई डीएमटी के सीनियर है और कहते हैं अरे मुझे तेरे से मिलना है, तो मैं बोलता हूँ सर जय माता दी. सो दैट हैज बीन इनबिल्ट एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द ऑरा दैट वी वर देयर विद, दैट वाज अ लेगेसी दैट वी हैड सर. सो दैट बॉन्डिंग हैज स्टेड विद अस. यस आई एग्री, देयर वर थिंग्स जो कि आज की डेट में विच कैन बी टर्म्ड एज हार्डशिप्स, बट दैट इज व्हाट मेड अस रेजिलिएंट. सो एनी डे व्हेन यू वर इन कॉलेज यू फेल्ट लाइक क्विटिंग, यार मैं कहाँ आ गया यार, कभी
नहीं, नॉट मी.
कभी नहीं लगा?
देयर इज नो ऑप्शन.
नो ऑप्शन.
मतलब वो दिमाग में कभी एक बार भी नहीं आया. एक आध और थे जो हमारे साथ था, एक वो रात को रोता था. मैं कहा यार क्या रो रहा है, जस्ट टेक इट इजी, ठीक है. जो हो रहा है हो रहा तो. And I never thought of.
When I talk about the college years, you were 4 years you spent at DMET, MERI Kolkata, we call it today. So what are those things that have always stayed with you? Like when we were coming right now from the Institute of Engineers, we were talking that all of us, whatever we have been made, is because of our college journey. So what are those things which have stayed with you?
See, you know, wherever a boy or a girl grows up and becomes something, you know, there are two main things which sort of add up. The first one is the value system coming from the family and the initial schooling, initial teachers, primary teachers and all that. But उसके बाद होता है कि any institution where that fellow spends couple of years, especially in the hostel, then that sort of builds up the personality of that particular person. Okay,
So what happened to your personality once you joined DMET?
I think
What changed?
I think I was a very different man. Earlier, I was coming from a smaller town. You know, never looked at. I mean, first time I was seeing a bigger town and thing like that. And in this 4 years, I became quite a different person. Fit for anything.
Fit for anything.
Fit for anything, and I mean, there's nothing which could sort of. I'm not saying that you became a warrior or something like that.
But मैं कुछ भी कर सकता था, मुझे इतना भरोसा था.
But you're ready for the, you know.
वर्ल्ड.
that's-
ऐसा क्या करता है सर हमारा कॉलेज? सर हमने पढ़ाई तो करते नहीं थे हम. तो ऐसा
उस
क्या
टाइम पे तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं होती.
उस टाइम पे तो बिल्कुल नहीं होते. हमारे टाइम पे तो फिर होती थी धीरे धीरे, अब होनी शुरू हो गई है.
हाँ, होनी शुरू
बट
हो
व्हाट वाज हैपनिंग एट MERI
I
कोलकाता
think
DMET?
it was all, you know, not only the college, not only the teachers, but the whole ecosystem. I mean, see, जैसे वार्डन्स होते हैं अभी आजकल क्या है, वार्डन्स डू एवरीथिंग. हमारे टाइम में वार्डन्स वर ओनली टू मेक फन ऑफ देम, यू नो.
I remember the names also sir. आपके टाइम पे वो नाम होते नहीं होते मुझे नहीं पता, बट हमारे टाइम पे तो प्रॉपर.
हमारे टाइम में भी होते थे, तो अदरवाइज वार्डन को कोई देखता नहीं था. बट द सीनियर्स टॉट अस. आई मीन, सी, उस टाइम में जैसे अभी तो बुफे सिस्टम है, आई डोंट नो, होता ही है. डेफिनेटली आई नो, आई बीन टू DMET कैलकाटा. उस टाइम में भी बुफे वगैरह नहीं था. यू वर सर्व्ड ऑन टेबल. Okay, we all sat down on the table and you were served there. The seniors taught us how to handle knife and fork, how to take a soup plate, उसको ऐसे tilt करके ऐसे soup पीने का है, which glass to have, you know.
Wow.
These things were taught by the seniors, and you were sitting in that southern, अभी southern है ना?
हाँ सर अभी भी है.
मैंने जब ज्वाइन किया था टॉप्स होते थे, मेरी टाइम में वो southern बने.
मैं मार्कनी सदन से हूँ, आपकी
I'm
सदन.
from Fraud Southern.
Fraud
No,
Southern.
Faraday.
Faraday Southern, okay.
तो पूरा सदन सब एक साथ बैठते थे, फर्स्ट टू थर्ड ईयर, फर्स्ट ईयर, सेकेंड, हर एक उसमें 6 फर्स्ट ईयर, 6 सेकेंड ईयर, 6 थर्ड ईयर.
वाओ, ये सर पूरा एनडीए का सिस्टम है सर, पूरा इंडिया का.
और वो जो कैडेट कैप्टन वो हेड बैठता था, एंड ही मेक श्योर कि यू नो वी बिहेव्ड आवरसेल्व्स एंड द सेकेंड ईयर बिहेव्ड देमसेल्व्स आल्सो. ओके, सो सारी की सारी जो है वो इंग्लिश बोलने का हमको, आई केम फ्रॉम द इंग्लिश स्कूल एंड ऑल दैट, बट कहाँ बोलते थे. बट इधर तो आपने हिंदी बोला तो उधर से आपको पनिशमेंट मिला, यू नो. सो ऑल दैट काइंड ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डिंग केम फ्रॉम देयर. and including the teachers, of course, and the not teachers, we used to call them officers actually.
Officers. Sir, but I now when I look back, I see that while our seniors were teaching us, they were becoming leaders. They were learning how to delegate, train,
True.
and juniors were getting trained.
And I tell you, I mean, earlier we talked about ragging. जो जिन जिन लोगों ने मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा रैगिंग की, they all became very good friend of mine. Okay, I mean, there's one gentleman, I won't name him. I was in the same dormitory. He was my third year. I was first year. पूरे साल भर मैंने उनके जूते पॉलिश किए, उनके वो ब्रासों के वो सब पॉलिश किए, धोबी उनका बिजनेस किया मैंने, कपड़े धोबी को दिए, उनकी गालियाँ सुनी. He is a very good friend of mine.
It's very good.
Okay, and the seniors always took care of us. मतलब they, suppose they were together, there was no way first year is going to spend anything.
Nothing.
Nothing.
अभी भी नहीं है सर, अगर
And
मेरे
they
साथ
will
कोई
take पूरा shelter आपको अपने उसमें ले लेंगे. So it was both ways, you see. So we learned also, and they, as you rightly said, they became good leaders. Okay. So if that thing is not there today, then where you have leaders then?
Sir, unfortunately, that is the real truth, sir, today. And I would like to, this video is going to go to, I would like to share with all the maritime colleges, because that is where the truth lies. Somewhere down the line, we are becoming more concerned about ki, when things are not defined legally, are we correct or not? But outrightly, we have to also see that this young generation which is going on ship, will they be able to do the right things on ship or not? And delegation, learning leadership is one of the most important things. एंड सर टुडे अनफॉर्चुनेटली जब कहते हैं कि आपके टाइम पे वार्डन्स के पास पावर थी, आज सब कुछ वार्डन्स करते हैं. सीनियरिटी जूनियरिटी खत्म हो गई है. ये चीज़ें जो थी हमारे टाइम पे होता था कि पार्टीज होती, ट्रीट्स दी जाती थी, जूनियर ने ये अच्छा किया तो उसके लिए करा. दैट बॉन्डिंग इज गॉन सर. दैट डज नॉट, इट इज नॉट देयर.
I agree with you, yes, unfortunately.
अनफॉर्चुनेटली बहुत सारे लोग जो यंगस्टर्स दे विल से कि चेंज द कांस्टेंट एंड वी आर ऑन द राइट. एवरी फूल सेज दैट द पास्ट वाज बेटर एंड नाउ इज नॉट द राइट. अग्रीड, बट दिस इज हु वी आर एंड वी हैव गॉट द राइट टू से व्हाट वी कैन से. चलिए सर, 1968 यू पास्ड आउट फ्रॉम द कॉलेज एंड यू जॉइंड जयंती शिपिंग, एम आई राइट सर?
Jayantee Shipping, yes.
तो उसके बाद सर देन यू Jayantee Shipping later on merged with SCI. How was your sailing experience, sir? Let's talk about your first ship first.
I'll tell you a very interesting thing. See, I mean, that time, the best of the cadets used to join ISS, India Steamship, because it had steamships also. They got, and others used to go to Scindia. Scindia's used to be. And Shipping Corporation was just coming, so majority used to go to Shipping Corporation. There was a gentleman, again from Dehradun, whom earlier I never knew, but it turned out to be he was a very close friend of my eldest brother, again from Faltu Line he was. So he was the head of Jayanti Shipping in Calcutta. So he said, नहीं तुम कहीं और मत ज्वाइन करो, जयंती ज्वाइन करो और हमको बहुत अच्छे जहाज में भेज दूंगा ये वो. And Jayanti that time had fantastic ships. I mean, if you see the history of Indian shipping in early 60s, 61, 62 and all, a company which bought bulk carriers and tankers, and that was Jayanti. Nobody had heard of. Okay. So I was very happy कि भाई हम नए जहाज में जाएंगे. उन्होंने फटाफट मेरा पासपोर्ट बना दिया that you are flying out to so and so ship and all that. So when I was ready, I went to the office. He said, नहीं वो भी गांधी जयंती में जाओ. There was a ship called Gandhi Jayanti. So I didn't know. I said, ठीक है चलो. So I took a train from Howrah to change in Chennai Madras, joined in Cochin. Cochin I joined that ship. So that ship was 1952 year built, and I can spend quite some time in trying to explain the community कि कैसा जहाज था वो. I mean, you cannot even imagine. Okay. It had everything steam. Everything is steam, including steering steam, the compressor steam, every pumps steam.
Sub steam.
Sub steam. Everything is steam, except the main engine.
Okay.
The main engine was 4-stroke, large 4-stroke, slow speed BMW engine. उसका piston जो था वो crankcase से बाहर आता था. It was an unbelievable time, and I was happy that many years back I went to BMW museum in Copenhagen, and this model was there.
Oh, आपको पुराने दिन, you must have remembered the old days.
So उसमें all the pumps were main engine attached. Low boil pump, sea water pump, fresh water pump, booster pump. Once for 2 days, 2.5 days, we ran the ship without electricity. Generators had stopped. Okay, लालटेन लगा के इंजन चल रहा है, शिप चल रहा है. So that was that kind of a thing, and we had steam winches, and as a fiver, that was my job. Okay, and I was there 21 months.
21 months
Yes.
at a stretch.
In between, थोड़ा सा hospitalization, I went back on the same ship. Okay, and my first chief engineer was from the first batch of DMET, and it went on very well actually. उसके बाद तो मेरा घर हो गया था. जब मैं छोड़ रहा था, I was crying
Crying.
actually.
So 21 months is a
And such a खटारा ship. हाँ सर. And मैं उनकी मिसेस को मैंने 3 महीने के बाद उनको चिट्ठी लिखी थी, भाई मुझे कहाँ फंसा दिया आपके हस्बैंड ने, किसी तरह से मुझे निकलवा दो. Afterwards I went to Calcutta again. She had gone to Calcutta, so I told her नहीं मुझे यहीं रहना है.
wow.
So that was उसने मेरे को बिल्कुल ठीक कर दिया.
कितने साल सेलिंग करी सर आपने?
I almost 15 years. I think maybe 2-3 महीना कम हुआ.
15 years approximately you said.
82 December I left.
Why did you quit sailing, sir?
Yeah, that's surprising actually. Because we don't have children.
Okay.
And my wife used to sail with me, so she sailed with me for 8 years actually. And हम पूरा घर जाता था हमारा. मतलब उस टाइम में each of my ship used to be 12 महीने, 14 महीने and all that. So पूरा सामान जाता था, and including एक छोटा टीवी था वो भी जाता था. And we were quite happy sailing, So 7 साल I was chief engineer, so more than 7 years. But slowly, I could have come ashore much earlier. But slowly I started feeling कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? I'm getting rusty. I'm not doing anything.
Not learning anything new.
Yeah, not learning तो अलग है, मतलब मैं कर क्या रहा हूँ? मतलब ठीक है, इंजन तो चल ही रहा है, सब कुछ चल रहा है. So then SCI said ठीक है भाई आ जाओ. तो early 83 I joined the office in Nariman Point.
Okay.
As a superintendent in the tankers department.
ओके सो यू जैसे नॉर्मली रहता है एवरी जहाजी अगर चीफ इंजीनियर है, अगर शिप यू हैव टू क्विट सी, द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट कम्स टू योर माइंड इज बिकम अ टेक्निकल सुपरिटेंडेंट. दैट इज व्हाट यू डिड. सो देन हाउ मेनी इयर्स वर यू टेक्निकल सुपरिटेंडेंट एट SCI?
I think couple of years, not much, 2-3 years. But I started feeling awkward there because I was chief for so many years. But when I joined office, then I realized कि मुझे इंजन्स बहुत आते हैं, मेरिन इंजीनियरिंग बहुत आती है, मुझे बिजनेस तो कुछ भी नहीं आता है.
कमर्शियल शिपिंग जीरो है.
कमर्शियल एक्चुअल शिपिंग हमारी है ही बिजनेस. Even a clerk sitting outside may Kevin knew much more than me. So I joined the institute, Narottam Moraji Institute है, वो वहीं नरीमन पॉइंट में था. शाम की क्लासेस मैंने I joined 2 years program. And all my colleagues, other superintendents used to make fun of me कि यार तुम्हारा दिमाग खराब है, ये कर रहा हो. This is only done by the commercial or it best master mariners do. I said नहीं चलने दो. So I found it very interesting. And in the second year, I topped in the country. And out of 5 subjects, 3 subjects I topped, including law and chartering and economics.
Wow.
तो फिर SCI भी thought कि इसको
इसमें कुछ बात है, सक्सेना जी में कुछ बात है.
So I got shifted into another department, which is sort of semi-commercial, and eventually I headed their department called Ocean Loss Cell, which was about the claims and all
Claims.
that. So dealing
So
with
somewhere
charter-
dealing with insurance or something.
Yeah, insurance, dealing with P&I club, charters and all that. So I came there. And
So-
then something else happened. Can I continue?
Yeah, no, please. Then something else
Then
happened.
certainly they nominated me to go to World Maritime University for 2 years for my master's.
From their money. That means they must have found something in you that the company decided to invest so much money and send you to World Maritime University. What was that, if I might ask you today?
They must have thought कि मैं इसमें कुछ तो है.
सर एक चीज मुझे जाननी है इसमें सर, लाइक यू वर अ टेक्निकल सुपरिटेंडेंट, यू कुड हैव बीन हैप्पी देयर इन योर कंफर्ट जोन, यू लेफ्ट सेलिंग, देन यू बिकम अ टेक्निकल सुपरिटेंडेंट. वर यू ऑलवेज सो इंक्विजिटिव and eager to learn even in college, or something changed?
No, in DMT I used to be just maybe little above average.
Okay.
Above average.
Then when did this inquisitiveness come to
I
learn?
think this is only in office. उससे पहले तो मैं कुछ नहीं करता, बड़ा आराम से था, जिंदगी आराम से चल रही थी.
सर कॉलेज में रह के पता नहीं क्या रहता है, हमारे को आराम से रहना चाहता है, ये एक चीज रहती है.
No, it is only, I think I found my passion in commercial.
You found your passion in commercial.
Probably. That is the reason, and that continues till today.
And what is that something about commercial that you like? Because you have been a technical engineer throughout.
I think just the subjects and
You
dealing
love,
with-
love.
Yeah,
And there is a lot to learn in that.
Yeah,
sir.
yeah, I'm still studying. Just 3 years back, 2.5 years back, I finished a very, very heavy, intensive course in international maritime law, again from the World Maritime University, 1.5 years course. I don't have a LLB degree, otherwise I would have got LLM because that's so they gave me a postgraduate diploma in international maritime law, and I did very well. My GPA was 3.41 out of 4.
Oh,
I stood second in the course probably. And this, mind you, all the papers were in writing. You know, it was not online,
Amazing.
not multiple choice.
amazing, sir.
So I'm still a student actually.
Any good person, any person who is really learned will say that I'm a good student. Else you're gone. Sir, coming back to, so you went to World Maritime University. How was your experience there, sir?
Oh, wonderful, wonderful. Because that university is part of IMO, International Maritime
Yes.
Organization, and at any time you have students from about 60, 70 countries. So besides learning in the university, you learn from the others. You know.
Oh.
You're all the time there with them, and problems are almost similar. The maritime problems, shipping problems are similar. So you see how the Latin fellows handle it, how the Oriental people handle it, and all this. So that's a very big thing. And then the field trips and all that. So eventually I did very well, probably.
Probably, sir, you must have done
That's
well.
why they called me back. I was surprised actually, you know, when I came back after my master's.
Which year did you come back, sir?
1990.
Acha,
End of
1990, okay.
I was there 89, 92 full years. So end of 90, November I came back. And that time, again, I was, in the office. I was on a ship in Jamnagar. And suddenly I got a call. I think the duty officer came. Captain Subramaniam wants to talk with you. He was the principal of Chanakya,
Okay.
Captain Superintendent of Chanakya. So I was surprised why he is talking with me. You know, because I knew him, but we never interacted. So it so happened that his brother-in-law was a professor in World Maritime University, Dr. Vancheshwar.
Okay.
He was also my senior. So he had said कि मैं इनसे पहले पूछो whether he'll be willing to come back to institute to university as a teacher.
Okay. So you, the,
Before the formal invitation goes, so he said whether you will be willing to. This is the message I have received from. I couldn't hear. I couldn't even imagine in my. ऐसा भी हो सकता है.
कि आपको चांस मिलेगा वर्ल्ड मैरिटाइम जहाँ से आप पढ़ के हम वहाँ पर पढ़ाने का.
हाँ, ऐसा
Okay.
भी हो सकता है. So it took me couple of seconds or maybe a minute to really understand. Then I said yes, why not?
Okay.
And so that's why I went back, and SCI again. I'm so happy. I mean, SCI is one of the has been a. I will always be indebted to Shipping Corporation because they have given me chance to work in different departments. Whatever my growth is, the MIT of course is there, but from the professional point of view, I think SCI was the excellent learning ground. So they released me.
Okay. First
No,
they
no.
paid you go there.
Uh-huh.
You came back and the World Maritime University showed interest in you. You
Yeah.
wanted to join and they released you as well.
Yeah, they released means on deputation. I
On
went there
deputation.
for 1 year.
Great.
So then I was teaching there. It was a fantastic experience.
How was teaching, sir? Because up till now,
Yeah, it was very good. But more than that, that time, अभी आजकल तो president होता है वहाँ पे. That time it used to be rector. So there was a rector, Waters, Australian chap. So he said, Brijendra, you call me Danny. His name was Danny Waters. So वो निकलेगा ही नहीं मुँह से.
हमें सर निकलेगा, हम लोग
हम तो सर बोलता है. He said, नहीं, you call me Danny. So it was very nice to especially, be there. A few months back, just about 5-6 months back, you were a student or you were a teacher there. So, I tell students that, to people, कि I didn't apply there. They just invited me.
Wow.
कुछ तो हुआ था यार.
wow. So sir, वहाँ पर एक साल 91 you came back to SCI.
92 I came.
92, then?
Then SCI said कि भाई अभी तो तुम टीचर बन जाओ.
तो यहाँ से अब तक आपको प्यार हो चुका था सर पढ़ाने से? आई वांट टू नो
हाँ, मैं
दैट.
पहले भी मैं कॉस्ट कंट्रोल वगैरह पे मैं लेक्चर देता रहता था SCI के ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट में.
ओके.
तो आई एंजॉयड यू नो. So then they said कि भाई you go to MTI. So that's how I landed there.
SCMTI. You landed in SCMTI in which year?
End of 92. End of 92.
Okay. And for how many years were you there at SCMTI, sir?
6 years.
6 years. So, sir, what courses were you teaching at SCMTI?
Yeah. So I was in charge of the specialized tanker safety course. उसमें थोड़े lecture भी देता था. Then I developed some of the commercial courses, you know, like chartering का, insurance का, cost controlling. पहले भी होता था वो तो. So in some seminars, एक ADR पे किया था, alternate dispute resolution पे किया था. तो इस तरह के काम में लगे रहते थे बस.
So, sir, some learned man told me that in shipping, at the base level comes training, and comes the terms of importance. That is what they told me. Then comes technical in terms of maybe revenue also, and the biggest is commercial shipping. In terms of revenue, is what they told me. I do not know how right it is. So you had been a part of all three. So as per him, training comes, or it is giving least revenue to the shipping or something like that. I do not know how much. So you started with technical, you went to commercial, and then you came back to training. So if I would put this is सबसे ज़्यादा कम salary, they say the least amount of money is in the training part. How right is this, sir? Or I'm mistaken?
See, training is not. I mean, you can't say training is expenditure. Training is investment.
Investment, right?
Okay, I mean, so that has to be taken separately. You know, it's okay. And the second part of your question about salaries, yes, I mean, that's again a controversial question.
But the commercial has got the maximum.
It's always there.
It's always there.
It is always there in every industry. It is there. You see.
So, but it's a reality, sir. Training में सबसे कम पैसा है,
It's a
sir.
commercial reality. It's so you can't help it. But last few years, teachers' की भी salaries have increased. I mean, you had fifth pay commission and all that. You know, so they're reasonable. But definitely in the merchant marine, to attract good faculty, you need to pay them.
Pay them.
That
Sir,
is very important.
Why I'm asking this question is that means money was, because you could have done very well in commercial shipping also, but you took up training. So that means money was not the driving force in your career.
No. Money is not there because, but you see, training का ये है कि passion होना चाहिए तभी होता है. If somebody does not have passion, so even if you give him 5 lakhs a month, he is not going to succeed. He is not going to succeed, and the end product will not be very good.
So ये passion that you're passionate towards teaching came once you went to World Maritime University. You realized that this is what you want to do, because उससे पहले you were in love with commercial.
Earlier also, I used to often on teach. Even when I was a superintendent, मुझे बुलाते थे कि भाई आप dry docking पे lecture दे दो, इस पे lecture. So I always enjoyed that because see, teaching is one job where you get the result, you see the result immediately. You don't need any feedback.
Right, sir.
आप when you are speaking and वो 30-40 लोग बैठे हैं, उनकी आँख को देख करके आप समझ जाओगे whether your message is going across or not going across.
Agreed, sir. Agreed.
You don't need any feedback form वगैरह, वो सब तो procedure के लिए होते हैं. No other profession or career gives you feedback immediately. So उसमें if you enjoy that, nothing better. Otherwise, so you cannot survive.
But अगर आपने कभी उस टाइम सोचा नहीं, you never thought that यार if I stay back in commercial shipping, I can do wonders. I'm interested in it. I've already been WMU, and this is where the money lies. या कभी दिमाग में पैसा आया ही नहीं, never.
नहीं, एक तो I was never in hardcore commercial. I mean, not mainstream. It was only a support, you know, claims and all that. And I could have actually, I mean, but I think I never wanted to.
So you got into
I was
training.
at my comfort level probably.
So you got into training, and for how long? You were 5 to 6 years. You were in
That's
SCMTI.
right. That's right. Up to end 1998.
Then came the phase for which you are known today across the world. At least, sir, the day, sir, for me it was a day of high, sir. I showed that message to my wife कि when I sent you a request and you wrote कि you have heard about me even if tidbits. And sir, though it was a personal message, sir, I was so in awe मुझे पहली बार जिंदगी में अपने ऊपर खुशी लगी, मुझे लगा यार कुछ तो किया है जिंदगी में, दैट आई पुट इट एज अ लिंक्डइन पोस्ट, आई होप, एंड माय फ्रेंड्स टोल्ड मी, दे कॉल्ड मी, यार यू, दैट वाज अ वेरी पर्सनल मैसेज, यू शुड नॉट हैव पोस्टेड एज अ पोस्ट। मैंने बोला भाई ये गलती होगी, माना, आई डू नॉट नो, बट आई एम इन सच अ ऑ राइट नाउ, even if I'm killed for that, but I had to post it because this is something very important for me. So sir, coming back to, so 1998 you joined Tolani Maritime Institute.
99.
99 99 January, that was just,
Process had started in November 98.
and you were the principal there for 25 odd years, if I'm
20 years.
20 years you were there, and today Tolani Maritime Institute is known all across the world, has on reputation, a great college, everything great. And I would say कि अगर मैं ये बोलूँ, now I'm saying this, not you, and there is no bragging out here, that though a team is required, a visionary leader is required, an owner to invest is required, but if you have a great leader at the person who is handling all those stuff from the very beginning, like you became the principal for 20 long years. So if today Tolani is successful, you have got to take the credits. This much or this much does not matter, but sir, it has to be there.
Yeah, some credit.
Some credit. So you can be humble enough to say that, sir. Sir, चलिए अब इस बात, सर SCI के साथ इतने साल you were there for with them for so many odd years, 15 years sailing career, then 15 years with office, 30 years of association. Then why did you choose to quit SCI and join Tolani? Was it more money?
No.
Sorry sir, this podcast has to be as realistic as possible because people need to know that कि आखिर भाई 30 साल आप SCI के साथ थे और अचानक एक दिन एक नया कॉलेज आया और आपने उसे छोड़ दिया, तो शायद या तो डबल ट्रिपल सैलरी मिल रही होगी, क्या था सर रीजन, व्हाट वाज द रीजन?
Actually, November 98 में प्रोसेस स्टार्ट हो गया था. I referred to you about a fellow who was 2 years my senior who used to rag me and all that. He used to be a director in Tolani Shipping.
Okay.
अशोक श्रीवास्तव का नाम है. So he phoned me up. He said, भाई प्रिंसिपल बनना है इंस्टीट्यूट का. So I had not heard anything about all this. But I had heard the name of Tolani, see, because Tolani Shipping had been, you know, थोड़ी सी सब कंपनी से अलग, छोटी कंपनी बट सीरियस कंपनी. So I said, ठीक है देखते हैं. Let's see. Then they called me for interview. So I talked with Dr. Tolani was, you know, he is no more, he passed away in 2016. He was PhD from Cornell University. And he was the owner of shipping, Tolani Shipping. Tolani Shipping की कोई shareholder वगैरह नहीं है उनकी. So he was there and his son was there and we discussed and then he said, ठीक है तुम आ जाओ. And I negotiated the salary with the chap, Srivastava only, and I knew nothing about negotiation. So जो कुछ उन्होंने कहा ठीक है भाई, ठीक है यार,
ठीक है कर लेते हैं,
ठीक है चलो. Afterwards, I told him, उसको मैंने बोला, मैं यार तुमने ठग दिया मेरे को. I could have bargained, but I never knew what happens in this private sector and all. मैंने जो दे रहे हो तुम ठीक है.
ठीक है.
So anyway, to cut the story short, money was much less, the perks were much less.
Then why? Was it the delegation of principal,
No,
or was it a
just
new challenge?
It was just a challenge.
Challenge,
It
एक
was
नया.
just a challenge. And I told my wife and she said, यार चलो चलो तो पुणे चलते हैं.
चलते हैं?
हाँ, अब तो दोनों हैं, जहाँ का चल देते हैं. तो SCI में everybody said you are making a big mistake. I mean, who leaves the public sector with so much of, you know, and not VRS or something, resigned. Okay. So I said you are a mistake of जिंदगी भर की सबसे खराब. But my boss used to be one SK Sood, he was ex-DMT again, 1960 pass out. He said नहीं, it's a good decision. Okay. So he said जाओ तुम. तो फिर that's how I resigned and shifted.
सर जब आप शिफ्ट किए सर, Tolani was how many months old? TMI, Tolani Maritime Institute.
2 months, 3
Two,
months.
3 months old. It was a baby. So how was Tolani then? Today we all know Tolani has got great infrastructure, big hostels, air-conditioned classrooms, big auditoriums, all those things. How was it back then?
See, that time the institute was being operated in the city of Pune. There's a building called Sharda Center. उसमें एक फ्लोर था, वो वहाँ पे होता था.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
First 2 years वहीं पे होता था, first 2 batches.
Okay.
And the hostel was about 3 kilometers away. वो Dr. Tolani used to do everything in style. वो पूरी building उन्होंने खरीद ली, वो swimming pool बनवा लिया उन्होंने. So that was the hostel. Okay, that was the hostel, and And I used to stay in another place where Dr. Tolani had bungalows. So one of the bungalows was there. So there were three places. And I joined there. You know. So, incidentally, one more motivation, if I can say that. मैं जब वहाँ पे आया मुझे उन्होंने कहा कि आप जाके देखो जरा तो स्टेशन पे उतरा तो टू कैडेट्स देयर उन्होंने फटाफट मेरे को कहा यार ये क्या हो रहा है मैंने ठीक है while driving we passed the Pune city and there was a Pizza Hut. That time there were no Pizza Huts in Mumbai and I had seen Pizza Huts in Malmo and as a student myself my wife used to go there उसको शक्ल देखते थे पैसे देखते थे चले आते थे. And then as a teacher, of course, we could afford to. So मैं गया पिज़्ज़ा हट देखा मैं यहीं रहना है.
तो पिज़्ज़ा हट की भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंस रही है. So all those people are watching this video, if you're from Tolani, you want to thank sir, thank Pizza Hut as well. Okay, sir. So that's why you stayed there.
So then I stayed there and it was fun. Lot of challenges, all kinds of challenges. You know, one very interesting thing because वहाँ पे कैटरर की प्रॉब्लम होती थी कुछ तो वन मॉर्निंग उनकी एक बस थी जो कि टू ब्रिंग द स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम हॉस्टल टू दिस प्लेस सो मॉर्निंग 9 o'clock क्लास होती थी उस टाइम में सो 9:15 हो गया स्टूडेंट्स नहीं आए कैडेट्स नहीं आए तो ऐसे क्या हुआ तो आई टोल्ड समबडी भाई फ़ोन करो वहाँ पे तो उधर से मैसेज आया कि भाई कुछ खाने की कुछ प्रॉब्लम है एंड स्टूडेंट्स आर ऑन स्ट्राइक
जाते
what do you mean strike? I said, how is that possible? तो जो वार्डन था एक उसको मैंने कहा मुझसे बात करो मैं उनको बोलो अगर आधे घंटे में यहाँ नहीं है तो वहीं से सीधे रेलवे स्टेशन जाए घर जाए
डीएमटी एटीट्यूड आ गया सर.
मैं यहाँ आने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं बस उनका जो पैसा वैसा का वो हिसाब देखा जाएगा वहाँ से हॉस्टल से सीधा रेलवे स्टेशन जाए घर जाए आधे घंटे में आई वॉन्ट सब आए आए फिर वो एक बड़ा सा रूम था वहाँ पे उन्होंने मैंने उनको कहा सबको जमा किया और टीचर्स थे वेरी फ्यू टीचर्स आई मीन टोटल फैकल्टी वाज सब 6-7 मोस्टली नॉन मैरिड नीट था एंड देन द वे आई अब्यूज देम यू नो आई मीन आस्क दिस निर्मेश लखेरा यू प्रॉब्ली विल रिमेंबर एंड इवन माय टीचर्स आर लुकिंग उन्होंने कभी ऐसी भाषा सुनी नहीं होगी शायद ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं ये सब नहीं होता है मर्चेंट नेवी शिपिंग में भाई आपको काम करना है काम करना है खत्म बात क्वेश्चन बाद में पूछने का
क्वेश्चन बाद में पूछना
क्वेश्चन बाद में पूछने का अभी तो काम करना है दैट मैसेज मस्ट गो अक्रॉस
उसके बाद सब लाइन पे नहीं सर ये बहुत ज़रूरी सर इवन एट टाइम्स आई टेल यू सर मैं जीएमडी अकेडमी जब इनिशियली स्टार्ट किया था तो आई यूज्ड टू बी वेरी जेंटल विद स्टूडेंट्स तो मेरा एक स्टूडेंट एक कॉलेज में पढ़ने गया वो नेम दी कंपनी का अपना कॉलेज था वहाँ पर किसी एक कैप्टन ने गाली दी होगी बैंड की द बॉय क्विट एंड केम बैक इट वॉज माई फर्स्ट ईयर इट वॉज अ स्लैप ऑन माई फेस आई वॉज टेलिंग पीपल आउट हियर चाहे 6 बच्चे हैं लेकिन जब वो कॉलेज में जाएंगे दे विल नॉट फील समथिंग डिफरेंट अबाउट इट एंड दैट्स वेयर आई रियलाइज कि यार मुझे तो टाइट होना पड़ेगा आई हैव टू बी दैट क्रिकेट जेंटलमैन आउट हियर हु कैन बी रूड हु कैन यूज दोज कस वर्ड्स बट ही विल मेक श्योर दैट स्टूडेंट्स व्हेन दे गो फ्रॉम हियर दे विल सर ये तो सुना है मैंने या ये कौन दानव है प्रणीत सर तो इससे बड़े दानव देखे हमने सो इट हैज़ टू बी दैट वे इट हैज़ टू बी दैट वे तो सर ये तो पहला चैलेंज था देन फिर कितने 2 साल के बाद यू शिफ्टेड टू द मेन कैंपस
एक्चुअली देयर वाज अनदर marine engineer who was my colleague there Ravi Buduraja his job was to construct the campus and my job was the academic part okay and both of us were living in 2 bungalows in another place in Pune so finally I think April 2001 we shifted to
Sir, abhi those who do not know, I'll tell you one small story. Abhi I sent a message that BK Saxena sir is coming in Dehradun. If anybody from Tolani wants to meet, can meet. So Nirmesh Lakheda sir, you can see the face out, you can see the photograph. So he messaged me, give sir my regards. I am from the best, I am from the first batch. If at all sir can remember. तो सर को मैं बोला सर निर्मेश लखेड़ा था अरे वो तो फर्स्ट बैच का लड़का है अरे गाता बहुत बढ़िया था सर ने पूरी जीवन कहानी आगे बता दी एंड दैट इज हाउ रियलाइज व्हाट गुड लीडर्स आर तो फर्स्ट बैच 98 pass out and sir still remember him that's 2002 but sir that's an amazing thing and you told कि मेरी वाइफ को भी नाम पता होगा निर्मेश का
फर्स्ट बैच के तो लोगों को because they grew I always tell them कि भाई you grew up TMI grew up and we grew up
we all
together in this okay
So while running, while being a part of TMI growing up, what was that vision that made Tolani grew so big and made such a reputation?
I think it comes from the management. Okay, because Dr. Tolani, he had told me very clearly. He said, "This is not business for me. Very business shipping company hai. But this must be run like a business. Okay, so you have free hand, whatever you want to do, but it must be run like a business with systems and all that. You have total freedom." So that is the kind of vision which is given by the management.
And total freedom also, like you when you said,
Total freedom.
आपने बोला कि तुम वहीं से वापस चले जाओ without even thinking about Dr. Tolani will think revenue का क्या होगा think.
Total freedom. And it's not only me. I think शुरू में जो team थी हमारी, the team was like this. All
Could
of
you
us
name a
were-
few people? This podcast is for them also. Then
Yeah, yeah. I mean, for the student affairs, there was one Commander Razdan from Navy. He was there. He was my right hand man. Okay? And then on the engineering side, when Mr. Basu came in, nautical. You see, initially you said only marine engineers, but for my student, there were lots of nautical also. So Captain Nair was there. He was there. So these are the key people who were there. And
Sir-
then Dr. Kanungo, who is now the principal.
Okay.
They are the key people there.
अच्छा, Dr. Kanungo is right now the principal, was back then there
He was a faculty member.
faculty member. So that is how he stayed, and today he is the principal. So
He
is
did his PhD when I was there.
okay. So sir, Tolani back then and today, what has changed?
See, after Dr. Tolani, his daughter, Dr. Sujata Tolani, right, she's the one who's in charge now. Value system is still the same. Okay, value system is still very much the same. Method of operating, everybody has different methods. So you can't say पहले का अच्छा था आपका खराब है या okay, but value system is still the same. That no cutting corners, okay, no telling lies. कुछ भी है आप बता दो, okay, be always open. That is what is required, and that's what the team has been doing all this.
So
And especially for me, they gave me the system to Dr. Sulani ke time se. So that way, I mean, most of the systems I set up were quite different and revolutionary than DMT.
Acha, that is what I want to know. What did you took from DMT to Tolani, and what did you change from DMT to Tolani?
One thing I changed was, it was very open. I mean, my door used to open out on the corridor. Even a first year cadet could just walk in, no appointment needed. I said, मेरे से मिलने के लिए किसी को appointment लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. You can just walk in. If I am busy, I'll say like this. If I am free, I'll say hello.
Okay.
So that is the system.
जो DMT में कभी नहीं था, वहां तो
हाँ।
पूरा हायरार्की थी.
हाँ।
Rather आपके साथ तो ये हुआ है कि when you came there, said you came and Pani, go and take round. So you
Yeah.
did not do that.
No.
So why did you change yourself? On one hand, you
I
are
wanted
saying
a little more openness in the system and more be with the students and the teachers. Okay, I mean this is something even in SCI. वो वहाँ पे typical एक इंट्रे एक आउट्रे होती थी, आपने यहाँ साइन किया, यहाँ पेपर रख लो, then peon will take it. I never did that. मैं अपना पेपर लेके जाता था, जिसको देना है उसको देना है. People used to say मैं ये क्यों कर रहा हूँ, ये तो peon का काम है. But I had been doing there also, here also. I mean, in a day at least 6-7 times I used to go to admin area. उनको कुछ उस तरह से उनको बात भी कर लिया, उनका भी मोटिवेशन हो गया.
so openness was one thing that you did not take from DMT. You
Yes.
started something like that. You wanted an open culture. So, but sir, when a first year student can have 10 things. Sir, अभी जैसे yesterday only I got a message at JMD Academy group tagging me. Sir, मैंने अपनी white shirt सुखाने के लिए डाली थी and sir मेरी अभी है नहीं. अब now sir, these are the things which sometimes kills me from within. I have set up a process. भाई अगर तुम्हें नहीं मिल रही, first of all, there is a problem solving committee of students. Does not happen, then go to the warden. If does not take it, then you tag me. Straight with it. So
same thing.
So, then you get into
Initially
micromanagement.
बहुत कम लोग थे. अभी धीरे धीरे बढ़ गया तो you had systems, there are systems in the hostel and also. But still, in case somebody wants to come and talk with the principal,
it was open.
welcome.
So punishments के मामले में I would say training. मैं ये punishment word अपनी जिंदगी से निकालना चाहता हूँ. Like in DMT there was a lot of hopping, push-ups or something. What about Tolani? Were you ever into this?
नहीं, as a principal, I mean, I never said ये करो या मत करो.
और वहां पर
पीछे
वार्डन्स के पास,
होता होगा मुझे मालूम नहीं।
तो वार्डन्स के पास पावर होती थी कि स्टूडेंट के पास
I'm
पावर
being
होती थी?
little diplomatic here, you know.
नो वरीज, आई
I'm sure if the students are
फर्स्ट ईयर, सेकंड ईयर, थर्ड ईयर स्टूडेंट
no,
दोगे
if the ex TMI students are hearing that, they would know.
and they would laugh.
They would
Ah,
laugh.
sir is being diplomatic right now कि मुझे कुछ नहीं पता. So sir, I'm getting all the answers over it. You do not have to say anything else. ठीक है, fine sir. तो अभी
I'll tell you one very interesting incident. In one of the girl we had in nautical side, she was almost 6 feet, 5'11" or something, tall, nautical. So one day evening, I was driving and my wife was sitting, and there was some punishment was going on. You know, कि बैठ करके hop करके इधर जाओ, like frogs. And this girl was doing so gracefully. तो हम खड़े मैं और मैं से दोनों देख रहे थे कैसे आराम से जा रही है इधर से, यू नो. सो पनिशमेंट तो खैर होते ही होंगे, डेफिनेटली होते होंगे, बट आई नेवर.
आपको पता नहीं था सर?
बस
आप, मुझे पता नहीं था. अब मुझे भी जेएमडी एकेडमी में पता नहीं होगा अगर कुछ ऐसा होगा तो. हैरी सुन रहे तुम जी? ओके सर, कमिंग बैक टू द कॉलेज पार्ट. सर कभी कोई एक ऐसी लर्निंग, मतलब यू वर सी व्हेन आई एम रनिंग अ कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट टुडे, देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स हैपनिंग ईच एंड एवरी डे, एंड समटाइम्स देयर आर थिंग्स दैट टेल यू कि यार मॉरल ऑब्लिगेशन हो जाता है. लाइक आई कीप टेलिंग अबाउट दिस, लाइक रिसेंटली व्हाट हैपेंड वाज कि one our students went for an exam, sir, and all of them, the center was lenient and they all started cheating blindly. Videos आ रहे हैं मेरे पास, कंपनी की तरफ से आ रहे हैं, and I am in a state of shock. यार what the hell. Now मैं इन बच्चों को कभी नहीं कह रहा हूँ आप जाके ये कीजिए. सेंटर हैज़, क्या सेंटर पे गया आपने पूरा देहरादून को बदनाम कर दिया. कंपनी हैज़ टेकन, एंड माई मॉरल ऑब्लिगेशन इज दैट व्हेन आई टेक द क्रेडिट फ्रॉम स्टूडेंट्स कि भैया ये बच्चा हमारा था, देखो आज इस कॉलेज में गया है, देन इफ स्टूडेंट्स इज डूइंग समथिंग बैड, आई हैव टू टेक क्रेडिट फॉर दैट एज वेल, और से मिस क्रेडिट. सो आई अपोलोजाइज ऑन सोशल मीडिया सेइंग कि दिस फेज वेंट रॉन्ग, आई हैव टेकन द राइट एक्शन, आई डिड दैट. कभी ऐसा आपकी लाइफ में हुआ इन 20 years of your career, Tolani, that you were stuck between this is right and this is not right, but what to do?
Yeah, I mean things like this do happen, especially copying कभी भी हुआ, but I've been always very strict, very strict on that. And see, initially the Tolani programs were affiliated with BITS Pilani.
Yes, sir.
Now they are with the Indian Maritime University. So with BITS Pilani, there was a lot of autonomy which was given. Okay, so there was a very clear thing that अगर copy पकड़ा गया है तो उसको punishment देना ही है.
Right, sir.
There's
right.
no excuse in this.
जैसे DMT में 1 year back.
Whatever is that depends. But तो उसको कभी नहीं हमने किया.
Sir, one of the most challenging periods or challenging situation or period that you faced with while you were working at Tolani for those 20 years as a principal, one of the most challenging phase or thing that happened.
See, there were a lot of issues, you know, कि भाई university affiliation होगा नहीं होगा, because it was the first private institute. Okay, because before that there was only DMT. Okay, so there were a lot of ifs and buts and government approval होगा नहीं होगा, you know, so there was a lot of uncertainty. Okay, which stopped after 4-5 years, you know. So that was the biggest challenge that time. Okay.
कि career का क्या है, and then you are calling more people and you are telling them ऐसा होगा, you are not sure yourself as well.
And BITS Pilani के system में क्या था कि there used to be 1 semester internship. Okay, 1 semester full. Now, what they said कि भाई you can send them to industry. Now, on the ships. So, from the government there was objection कि भाई ये आपको, because you need CDC before that. Before passing out you need CDC. So that is required. Then the industry said भाई हम क्यों लें आपको. So that is the time there used to be a boss of Anglo-Eastern, Mr. Gupta. Okay, he was in our academic council. Okay. So he said नहीं, Anglo-Eastern से बात करते हैं, and then they. So that was a very big challenge because उस टाइम में सब बोलते थे कि भाई DMT never had. Afterward DMT ने भी किया ये. But why this is required? Then they said कि हाँ, this is a good thing because
That was sending the students in 7th semester to the ship. 7th or 8th. Yes, sir.
Okay. So when they joined as a fresh this thing, they were at least थोड़ा exposure हो गया, a little better off.
And
So that was another new challenge, you know, बिल्कुल new challenge. So initially there were lots of challenges, but एक बार चलने लगा तो फिर
फिर तो सर एक बार फ्लाईव्हील घूम गया तो फिर जय माता दी है.
फिर then I mean I always say because उस time में हमारे my faculty was almost 100 plus and all full time. So my biggest challenge was the faculty rather than the cadets and students.
Definitely, sir.
because-
You take care of the faculties, faculties will take care of the students, students will take care of the results, results will take care of the institute itself.
So that's it.
So, one thing throughout your Tolani journey as a maritime MTI principal, you're proud of that. This is something that I'm really proud of.
I'm proud of the culture which is set in there, and especially see कोई भी faculty आता था used to say you have to you have come up to here at this you have to grow further. वो जरूरी है. And then a lot of merit engineers and Dr. Kanun I told you he got his PhD. There are so many merit engineers again, two, three of them from DMIT who have done their post graduation. Myself, after being in Tolani's, I did one post graduation from BITS Pilani. PhD I did while working.
God,
Okay. So
I'm getting nervous right now, sir.
so that was something कि भाई एक not a training institute, नाम जरूर training है, but we say कि भाई it cannot be training institute. You have to have a knowledge based institute. And today the faculty base is today there must be at least 15 or 12 PhD holders there, and the quality of papers which are coming out from there. And the students are students are always having lot of talent की कमी नहीं है, खाली उनको थोड़ा सा गाइड करने की जरूरत है. So today they are writing papers. Last Saturday there was a AGM of Institute of Marine Engineers in Mumbai, and I had written a paper in law on seaworthiness. That paper got second prize.
Wow.
Okay, but more importantly स्टूडेंट्स का एक प्राइज मिला, तोलानी के लड़के थे तो
क्या बात है, क्या
तो फिर हमने फोटो खिंचाई. मैं अपना प्राइज लिए हुए, ये दो आपके प्राइज लिए हुए. मैं देखो यार आई एम सो हैप्पी, दे इनवाइटेड मी कि आपके लड़के को मिल रहा है, यू वांट टू से एनीथिंग. आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ देम, so proud of them. And it's not only Tolani, today youngsters are doing wonders actually.
So till 2020 years, from 1998 or 1999 to 2018 or 19, you were there with Tolani. What made you say goodbye to the principalship at Tolani? Or
No, it had to be.
Someday or the other.
Age, after all. In fact, I wanted to leave much earlier. They were not leaving me, but finally, I said, "ठीक है, वे बहुत है. Let others do."
so अभी पिछले after giving leaving the principalship out there at Tolani, then what did you do? Start doing then? I can see that you want to keep yourself busy all the time.
I'm more busy than I was in as a
Tolani.
principal. See, all these years when I was principal, I never maintained that उसमें मोबाइल में होता है ना engagement का कॉलम.
Google calendar.
Google Calendar. Now I have to do that because somehow I have a knack of getting involved into things. I can't say no. So I am in so many places doing something in the Indian Maritime University. I just managed to start MBA program for Masters in Chief Engineers in Maritime Management, completely online. So I was involved in development and giving some lectures. Last 5 years I've involved in maritime law substantially, doing some research work there. कुछ ना कुछ करते रहे.
मैम नहीं कहती कितनी पढ़ाई करोगे, मतलब पढ़ाई. अब सर चलिए चल के तीर्थ यात्रा पे चलते हैं, चलिए घूमने चलते हैं, गोवा घूम के आते हैं, पिज्जा हट देख लिया, अब कहीं और नहीं.
Only thing she has told me और कोर्स मत करो.
So how do you spend your time? Like
In fact,
how much?
When I told my boss, Dr. Sujata Tolani, I got this prize, so she has written a very nice message, a long message. He continued to do this. Then she said, a lot of credit goes to Sheila. Sheila is my wife. Without her, you couldn't have done all this.
I agree, sir. I agree.
And my wife is a psychologist actually.
Okay.
And she sailed also 8 years, so she talks with the cadets, students. She used to do counseling there, and they were more free with her than with me.
Sir, आपकी तो आवाज में इतना बेस है, sir. I can understand.
And especially, I mean, they used to come to my house and all, उनसे appointment लेके, and because एक motherly figure and talking nicely, तो कहाँ की बातें उनको करते थे, and she never told me anything. I mean, I'm telling this on record now. Okay, never told me anything unless some action was required.
Understood.
Otherwise, and till today, the students ring her up and messages आते रहते हैं उनके पास.
Amazing. Sir, I must say that you have had an amazing career, amazing journey. And sir, it's an honor. I am saying it 10 times. मतलब मैंने कभी जिंदगी में नहीं सोचा था सर कि मैं कभी आपके साथ ऐसे बैठ के इंटरव्यू कर रहा
Come on,
हूँ.
come on.
आज के नहीं, आज मैं अपनी ये फोटो अपने पापा को दिखाने वाला हूँ. कभी एक दिन ऐसा आएगा when my father will feel proud कि मेरा बेटा कुछ कर रहा है. And this is one such amazing moment for me, and I will really cherish it for my life, sir. For my
I only
life.
wish my parents were there and they could see.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
So
sir.
nice, and I want to wish each one of the listeners all the best. And main thing is have passion in whatever you do. कुछ भी करो. Okay, that's. See, somebody asked me who was your idol. My idol was my father. उनका बड़ा
Mine is
straight forward था कि भाई जो करना है पूरे मन से करो. Otherwise मत करो. मना कर दो. कि जो करना है करो. So be very focused and stay in touch with, if you want any, I mean, I am the best mentor actually. Not best, I am a good mentor. Feel free to get to me if you want to say anything.
Great, sir. And how can they connect with you?
God bless you and all your associates.
Jai Mata Di, sir. And sir, how can these people connect with you?
Through you.
Through you. Okay, great. So in this podcast, if you've got any queries put across, we'll share with Saxena sir, and that will be the best way. And maybe this will not just be one of the podcasts. And as soon as more things come across, I'll go to Pune, sir. Are you staying in Pune, right,
I'm
sir?
staying in Pune.
So maybe we'll get in touch and do further such podcasts. And I'm blessed to Institute of Engineers that they called you over here to
Yeah,
felicitate you. And this is how
ये
we
होना
could get
था.
in touch. होना
ये
था
होना
सर.
था.
होना था सर. होना था.
Because otherwise ना मुझे podcast कुछ मालूम है ना.
सर मेरा भी फर्स्ट सर मेरी जिंदगी का ये पहला पॉडकास्ट है जो कि हो रहा है सर. और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि मेरे कॉलेज के सीनियर एक ऐसे कॉलेज के प्रिंसिपल विच आई वुड लुक अप टू आफ्टर DMET की यार क्या बनाया है. सो आई वुड लव टू गेट इंस्पायर्ड एंड कुछ सीखे सर. मैं चाहूंगा कि JMD अकेडमी, SMVD मरीन अकेडमी, मर्चेंट नेवी डिकोडेड सब ग्रो करें सर और अच्छा करें.
नहीं, thank you and all the best. God bless you.
थैंक यू सर.